Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on iPhone 15 Pro Max. No, 16 Pro Max. Just yesterday, I am purchasing iPhone 16 Pro Max. Previously, I am using 15 Pro Max. So now, question comes how I transfer entire data from 15 Pro Max to 16 Pro Max, and here it is the answer. You can watch entire video and very easily transfer your all data smoothly. Even eSIM you can transfer 15 Pro to 16 Pro. It's very simple tips and tricks. So now let's start as a demonstration. Just I purchased iPhone 16 Pro Max and here is a 15 Pro Max. So I want transfer here to here data. So 16 Pro Max sand desert color, I am purchasing this here. So now question comes here how I transfer my entire data from here to here. It's very easy process to transfer the data. So this is a 16 Pro Max and this is a 15 Pro Max, and I want transfer here to here all information. How to do it? It's very simple. First of all, the setup, just I unboxing and doing the second video of this. Just click here, unbox. First of all, unlock, and look at this. You just simply scan this code from this one. I just simply scan this barcode from there and just completed. Scanning is done. Language setting, get thing ready. So we can transfer all like a SIM card and all data is also set up me. I just add here password and wait couple of seconds. Look at this here, transfer the both SIM. So you can very easily transfer both SIM. Currently I am using eSIM to eSIM, close to near, and just transfer both numbers. So first one is a primary number. I can select here primary number. The another one transport not supportable. So but just one number is a transfer very easily eSIM. Transfer the number as well. Confirm. OK. So just tap and give the permission. Yes. Look at this, the activation is going on. So first of all, it's very easiest way to transfer cellular network. Look at this here, my cellular network is a 3 Denmark eSIM. Done. Continue. So transfer the data is also here. So we just simply agree. This is my new phone, so of course continue. iMessage and FaceTime, continue. Location, I can say it later. Okay, first of all we need to enable the location transfer point of view, so we are not missing anything. Share app, no need to share anything to Apple. Camera control, so here the new features, the screen. Continue. Emergency SOS, I already fixed emergency SOS in my old phone, so same the person number and all is coming here. Just simply again start and reconnecting. Now again here reconnecting to here, transfer data to iPhone and estimated time. So look at this here time remaining estimated. Now transfer is going on. Transfer data from iPhone. Keep your iPhone nearby connected until the transfer the data. Still not yet starting this line. You need to complete this one from here to here. We need spend almost half an hour, I think so, if you transfer the data old phone to new phone. And this process is not require anything to backup for your laptop or other smart devices. You just simply transfer one device to another device. It's very simple process. So look at this guys, 100% data is a transfer from this device to new device. And look at this, the application structure is also coming similar kind of same. If I open here Gmail and Gmail, so login, everything data is automatically coming here. No need to sign in, no need to backup. You can do this process and very easily transfer your entire data with your all photos as well. So this is one of the best tips and tricks. You can very easily transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone using this process. So guys, if you really like these tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.